just disconnected the boost controller and we're just gonna run it straight off wastegate. I guess see what happens. I mean, it should be opening. I don't see why not. My last setup, they were opening fine, so I don't know if something's wrong with the wastegates or what's going on. I did have a few couplers that were pretty loose. I don't know if they were loose enough to actually have the boost drop that much, but I guess I'll find out. I'm not sure. Oh, nice. Check engine light. Stupid ass idle. On my previous setup on the Z, I actually had like all the charge pipes and all my piping V-band, so that way I never had to worry about leaks. I think that helped a lot because when you're doing like 20 plus pounds, I feel like all these couplers end up getting loose on this car. So I don't know, I'm gonna go for a little test drive and see what happens. I don't know why they're not opening, bro. This makes no sense. It literally makes no sense. Shit's still dropping boost. It feels a tiny bit better, but it's still fucking dropping boost. Fuck. Man. Some bullshit. It does feel better on straight wastegate, or maybe because I tightened a few of the clamps. So I don't know if it's still leaking from one of the couplers or if it's just the turbo. I don't know, man. Boost problems. So the car is definitely not in shape to be like racing and shit. Oh, and then the O-ring gasket for the crank pulley, that shit's leaking, so car's throwing oil everywhere. See, my last setup, that shit was dialed. It had no problems. I fixed all the bugs. You know, I had that setup for a while, so like all the bugs, all the small issues, you know, we went through it. Everything got fixed. Everything was running perfect. And then yeah, now we're back at stage one all over again and already having like issues. It feels decent, but it's just not the same, obviously. Because before, like second, third gear, my boost is in the 20s and it stays in the 20s. Yeah, right now, like third gear, fourth gear, it's just dropping to like 15, 14 pounds. So that's all bad. I can't be racing people like that, bro. Like that's an L, bro. Whole top end is dying out. Not the same fresh cakes anymore. I'm fucking slow now. Car makes 500s. Go race Baba right now. It's boost season. It's about to be summer, but it's boost season for us because that shit wasn't running. There's 10, 11, 12. There's like 12 clamps that this thing could be leaking from. Probably won't be able to get it done for another like couple weeks, but I'm just gonna do like I did on my last setup in V-band, everything. I feel like that might be some of the issue. Yeah, I guess we'll just figure it out soon. If that doesn't fix the problem, then I really don't know. It could be just the turbo, it's acting weird. The turbo is pretty much new, but it could just be the turbo is doing something stupid. But I don't know, we'll figure it out soon enough. I mean, she runs, she boosts, it has a somewhat a tune on it, but it feels like 500s. Like it kind of feels like my stock block setup. Very nice. Should look like it was moving. So me and Baba are gonna do a little pull I'm just curious. Since both of our cars aren't like 100%, they both have some kind of like issue. He just installed a bigger cam, so he could use some retuning. My shit is just like peaking boost, but it's dropping. He has more boost during redline, but mine's peaking more boost, if that makes any sense. Mine drops to like 14. His will probably do it like 16, 17. So I don't know, I'm just curious to see. His last setup, his last tune, I think he made like mid sixes. He was right there. It was looking like a tie, honestly. If anything, I think he was creeping on me. He was coming, because he was like right there, my bumper. That's kind of the outcome I was expecting. I'm doing more peak boost off the hip, but he's maintaining more boost than me, so that was kind of how it should have played out. Maybe we'll do another quick little run real quick. That's a good ass fucking run, low-key. He's coming top end though. But like I mentioned, he's probably doing like 3 more pounds up top than me right now, so I don't know. My shit's only doing 14 pounds at the end of the day. That's fucking sick, not bad. Very nice. That was a pretty good outcome. It's kind of like what I was expecting, since I know what my car's doing right now. I mean, for this thing to be losing 7 pounds of boost in every gear up top, that's not bad. 3rd, 4th gear, it was maintaining around 22 pounds. Versus right now, it's doing like 14, 15. So that's a big ass difference. That's like 100 horsepower. So I don't know, we'll try to figure it out. Hopefully we can get this thing fixed soon. I'm not gonna take it out and be racing people. That was just some quick friendly competition. I just wanted to see where our cars are at right now, since they're not both 100. That was fun. What up, bro? Got spotted right now, Z-boys. Damn, that tome. It's pretty cool, you know. Turn the car off with the pumps. Kill all the fuel. Before you guys even say anything, oh bro, you need gas, driving around with no gas, racing with no gas. It has like half a tank and shit just doesn't read right. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to my guy and see when he can get this thing in, so we can just go ahead and just do all V-bands. At least that will be out of the way. I won't have to worry about that no more, because it is a pain in the ass having to tighten the clamps and shit. So even if that doesn't fix the issue, at least that'll be done and out the way. I won't have to worry about it later. It is what it is. Sooner or later we'll be back. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.